How to purchase packages. After logging into the back office, select Shop on the left panel. You can choose any number of packages up to 10 units per package. Please note that a software fee of $99 will be added when making a purchase. After selecting the packages, you will have the option to make the payments in crypto or your wallet. If you choose crypto, you can have the option of making the payment in BTC, ETHERC20, USDTERC20, USDCERC20. You can choose any method you prefer. For this tutorial, we will be using BTC to demonstrate the payment. Then select Pay. Scan the QR code through your wallet and confirm the payment. Your order has been placed successfully. If you choose wallet as your payment method, you have the option of making the payment through e-wallet, D-wallet, and reward wallet. We will use e-wallet for this demonstration. Select Pay. A one-time password will be sent to your registered email. Copy the OTP and paste it in the box and click Validate. Please note that you will have only 60 seconds to complete the OTP verification. Congratulations! Your order has been placed successfully.